Troubled British diamond miner Petra Diamonds is set to resume selling and exporting minerals from its Williamson mine, which it closed down 2 weeks ago. This was occasioned by an export valuation row with the Tanzanian government. The firm says the exact timing and process for the next diamond shipment to its marketing office in Antwerp and subsequent sale would be finalized between itself and the Tanzanian government. The announcement gives a new lease of life to the struggling miner, which is battling to stay afloat in Tanzania's mining industry amid a strong state crackdown on mining companies. However, the firm and the government are yet to reach a deal over the controversial 71,654.45 carats diamond shipment, whose export to Antwerp was blocked by the authorities earlier this month, occasioning the closure of the mine.